I assume it's a cow food this. I'm not an avid cow food eater, so I can't really identify it like that. Soon tell you what it is. Oh, it's a set? I didn't even know it was a set. And I want to start painting the kitchen soon. The kitchen is my project for this month. So God's willing, I'm gonna get it painted and since this is my first official upload for this year, Happy New Year to you all. I pray this year will be that year for you and your family. This is how I spent my New Year's Day. Jamie and her son Mason stopped by, so we had dinner. Fast forward to weekend, I went on the road with my kids because we had a few errands to run, so why not just make a day out of it? I went by Digicel to get my eSIM transferred to my new phone, and I also wanted a new eSIM for Jaquan as well. Nowadays, I dread going inside Digicel or Flow because those places are so packed. Digicel is not so bad, but Flow, because initially we wanted to get his Flow card started up, but we just went with Digicel instead because the line to go in Flow was just too crazy. The next stop is going to be one of my favorite parts of the day. I went to pick up my African food order from 9 Jajam. I had pre-ordered because I thought I'd have been in Iron Shore a long time ago. I honestly did not expect the SIM card to take up that much of the afternoon. I was so excited, even though I wasn't going to have the food anytime soon. I was just so excited to get it because it's been a while. And if you've never had their food, I definitely recommend you give them a try. Start out with something that you know you might like or get the recommendation, but yeah. And because my diet starts on Monday, well, by the time you're gonna be hearing this, I'm sure it would be long gone already, but I'm starting my diet on Monday. So I'm just consuming everything I think I'm gonna miss when I go on my diet from now. So we're on our way to get boba. Because yeah, I need to lose 15 pounds, but we're not gonna focus on the pounds right now. But yeah, that's my aim for the first 6 months of the year, God's willing. And since we're already here in Iron Shore, I'm just going to go to the supermarket here instead of going back to Fairview. Hey guys, we're going to open my Christmas gift. One of them together. I'm just getting off the road. I'm tired. I must have eat some sushi earlier. And till I'm feel like crap right now. Feel like crap. I don't want to block the view. I might have some tea I'm making a minute because it will get cold. These are the covers. The pot covers. Alright, so this is the pot protector. 5 pieces of these are inside. Then let me tell you, this is a utensil rest. So you can put the thing in between. This is the soon tell you what it is. I hope you can hear me and the mic is not too muffled. Another pot protector. Okay, no more they want to stack them. Sometimes the bottom can cause the insides to go bad. When I say go bad, like scratch them up and things. So this is I think this is the stock pot. Okay, so this is the stock pot. This is pretty big. I think I can cook my rice and peas in this tomorrow. So that's the stock pot. Then we have the 8-inch frying pan. Hold on. So the 8-inch frying pan was before. I think this is the 9.5 one, and then this is the, what do you call this? The 11-inch frying pan. I really love this set. I really love it. And inside we'll have these utensils, a spoon. You know what I need to do? I need to start out my cupboards with these things, because I have so many of these things in there and I really and truly only use like 2 the most, or 3 things the most, and I have so many wooden spoons and them little things here. Slotted turner. I don't know what I used to call these before, but definitely not a slotted turner. And I have a slotted spoon. Also, we have a pasta server. And then we have the tongs. And these are the handles, I'm gonna assume. Yeah. So these are the handles. This is a screwdriver to get it on the screws. This is not a job for me. I'm definitely not gonna be the one putting them on. I really love this set. Like, I can tell I'm gonna have fun with these. I have one more stuff to open. I think because I already opened the white set. I had opened them. I don't even know if I had made a video. If I did, I'll just insert it here. But this, oh, it's a set. I didn't even know it was a set. Wow. This was not on my list, so I have no idea what exactly is inside. This is pretty cool. I thought it was like one stuff. I had no idea this is what was inside. I absolutely love these. Even if I did one bowl, but I still love it. But you know, I had no idea it was so. I had no idea it was so much. This is what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know, I go find space to put all of these things in. I don't know, but yeah. And I want to start painting the kitchen soon. Yeah, the kitchen is my project for this month. So God's willing, I'm gonna get it painted. I need to select the paint for it. So yeah, I'm gonna get it painted. Yeah, I don't know when. For this month, yeah. I contacted someone, so they're supposed to get back to me with more details as to what exactly I need to get. So I'm gonna change it from the yellow to a lighter shade. So that should let the area pop a bit. And I need to reduce all the clutter I have there with them bag of seasons. Like, I love my seasonings, so I need to find a way to store them properly. We're gonna take up a lot of space. So yeah, and I have some lights under the cupboard, so that's good. I need to reduce the clutter from off of the microwave top, and I need to take off some of my things in from in the corner there. So, but that's my project. I mean, if you reduce the clutter in the drainer, so I need to keep it at a minimum. I don't want a lot of things up there at once. These may go take up because I had these for Christmas Day, so I need to find a way to store them. They're still good, they're reusable. So, and the gas, the thingy, what do you call that right now? It still have gas in it to heat the food. So I'm gonna use it one other time and then discard them. But yeah, this catch me by surprise though. I don't know what they may be. Let me see if they have a, and I think, yeah, they come with lids, which is super good. If I'm more to put something in the fridge, I may have to use cling wrap
So I love the fact that they have lids. Love it. But I don't know where the mirror be. I mean, if you look on the paper, I don't know the paper there, but. So yeah, I'm gonna eat my food now. I can't wait. My belly hurt me now. My belly hurt me, but look at me go. Why? My plan to come in and clean, but I think that's gonna work for tonight again. I'm gonna heat this up. My diet starts Monday, by the way, so let me just enjoy. What is this? Let me show ask the people what this is. I don't know what this is. I recognize the chicken. Probably probably a cow food. What the frig? Boy. I don't know what it is. This must be cow food. It must be cow food. Only thing recognizing here is the chicken, so this must be callaloo, I'm assuming. Anyways, I'm gonna heat it up and I'm gonna eat it. This is the fufu. I wash my hands, gonna wash it again. After I take this out of the bag, I need to heat this up. I need to ask if she wants some so I can leave some for her. But here it, oops. Here it is, guys. Boom. This is well hot. I assume it's a cow food this. I'm not an avid cow food eater, so I can't really identify it like that. But these are almost cow food. I'm gonna dig right in. Been a minute since I've had any of this to eat. I pay 2,300 for this. I clap my mouth. I should have reheated this as well. May I try some of the gummy something? Must be cold. Well, I'm just a swallow. I'm tired for chew. I'm not throat, so might as well just swallow. Popcorn, Pringles, flour, mac and cheese, mustard, all-purpose, ketchup, and I'm trying this Italian dressing from Walden Farms. It says 0-gram carbs, 0 calories, and it's fat-free. I hope it's good because. So guys, as usual I came out of focus and I comedy go up this earlier. Never checked about the camera everything recorded was blurry and I am not going back over everything. So these are all the stuff I got earlier at the supermarket. Let me just quickly run through some things. I got a leather conditioning wipes. It's for shoes, but you can use it on chairs, you name it, leather chairs and bags, you name it. I bought a stainless steel cleaner. Normally we use the wipes, but we can't find the wipes, so we got the spray instead. I have a sugar-free strawberry jam, some snacks for the kids, strong back to make a little punch tomorrow, some whole wheat wipes. I have bacon, chicken for tomorrow, some chicken nuggets, fries, chicken food for soup, some cheese, octopus, some sliced fish. I bought some of these for Jada so she can use now, because her school got back electricity, so she can actually microwave her lunch now. I have some whole wheat spaghetti, ketchup, mustard, all purpose, some mac and cheese, butter, cream cheese, Pringles. I have some tuna, peanut butter, feta cheese, almond milk, vanilla flavoring. And I was saying how excited I am to use these cleaning products. Anytime I buy cleaning products, I'm so excited to clean. So these are for the bathroom. Can't wait. So this is it's the first time using the pink stuff in this. I normally just use it, the one in the jar. So this says a Miracle Bathroom Foam Cleaner. And this, I saw a girl on TikTok talking about this brand, Astonish, and how good it was. Can't find the one where she had talked about that I wanted, the bathroom one. So I got this instead. This is for the bowl, but you know the one I'm talking about was for the shower. And I also got a floor cleaner in the same brand. So hopefully it makes sense. But what do I have to lose?
I made coconut curried octopus for dinner on Sunday. I didn't have any because that's not my speed. And I've started with the decluttering process. I'll show you guys an updated clip because this one was before I got into it really. So I made a few changes since then. It's time for back to school and it's a beat everybody bad. Jada, she could have barely stay awake.
Your popcorn snack carry with you.
Feel good. Sent to bro. And that's it for this week's vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.